In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background video to Webflow. Easiest way. First, open Webflow and head to your Sites page. From there, go to your dashboard so you can access the project you want to work on. Open the project in the Webflow Designer. This takes you straight into the canvas where we'll make the change. Once you're in the Designer, look for the highlighted area on the page you want to enhance. Most people add a background video to a hero section or a full-width banner. Click the highlighted region so Webflow knows exactly where you want to place the element. Next, open the Add panel and use the search field that's highlighted. Type into the highlighted search bar to quickly find what you need. You're looking for the background video element. When it appears, click the highlighted result to select it. Then click the highlighted confirmation or placement prompt to add it to your selected section on the page. If you're prompted again to confirm the position or wrapper, follow the highlighted cue so it nests correctly in your layout. With the element added, you'll see a prompt to configure it. Click Show All Settings so everything is visible. In the Settings panel, upload your video file and make sure it's web-friendly and not too large. Short loopable clips work best, and muted videos typically autoplay smoothly. If you need to replace or remove a file, those options will appear here as well. Keep an eye on autoplay, loop, and mute. Use the highlighted toggles so the behavior matches the feel of your design. Now switch to the Style panel. Here, use the highlighted controls to adjust how the background video fills its parent element. Set it to cover the entire section and check the sizing, position, and any padding or margins. If the video needs to sit behind text or buttons, make sure the stacking order is correct so content remains readable. You can also apply corner radius, filters, or blending as needed. Stay within the highlighted inputs to keep things consistent. Move over to Interactions. Click the highlighted control to open it and verify your page load or scroll-based effects still work with the new video in place. If an interaction targets the section, it should include the background video automatically. Finally, return to Settings using the highlighted tab to double-check your playback options. Give it a quick preview in the Designer. If everything looks good, you're done. You've just added a background video in the simplest, most